How to learn English and start speaking. A beginner's guide. Hello everyone and welcome to today English lesson. If you understand some English but still find it difficult to speak, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people around the world can understand English when they hear it, but when they try to speak, they suddenly forget the words. Maybe you know a lot of vocabulary. Maybe you have studied grammar. Maybe you have watched English movie and videos. But when someone asks you a simple question in English, you don't know what to say. The good news is that you can change this and you don't need to learn thousands of difficult words. You don't need perfect grammar. You simply need to start using simple English every day. So let's begin. Step 1. Start with simple sentences. Don't start with complicated sentences. Start with sentences that you can use in your everyday life. For example, I am happy, I am tired, I am hungry, I am ready, I am busy. These sentences are simple, but they are very useful. Now say them with me. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am ready. I am busy. Excellent. The goal is not just to understand these sentences. The goal is to make your mouth comfortable speaking them. Step 2. Learn English. You can actually use one common mistake English learners make is learning unders that they really use. Instead, learn words and sentences that are part of your daily life. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can say, I just wake up. When you are going where you are getting ready, I am getting ready. When you are leaving home, I am going outside. When you are coming back, I am coming home. When you are hungry, I am hungry. When you want something to drink, I need some water. These are simple sentences, but when you use them every day, they become natural. Step 3. Stop translating everything. This is one of the most important tips. Many learners think in their native language first, then they translate the sentence into English. This can make speaking slow and difficult. Instead, try to connect English directly with the natural situation. For example, if you see a glass of water, think water, then this is water. If you are eating, think I am eating. If you are walking, I is walking. If you are walking, I am walking. I am walking. You are training your brain to think in English. You don't have to do this favorably. Just practice a little every day. Step 4. Learn question and answer. To have a conversation, you need to both question and answer. Let's practice. Someone asks, how are you? You can say, I am good, thank you. How are you? Someone asks, what are you doing? You can say, I'm walking or I'm straying. Someone asks, where are you going? You can say, I'm going home or I'm going to work. Someone asks, what do you want? You can say, I want some water or I want some coffee. These small conversations are the build, building blocks of spoken English. Step 5. Practice speaking alone. You don't always need another person to practice English. You can practice by yourself. Look around your room. Discovery what do you see? For example, this this is my phone. This is my computer. There is a table next to me. I'm sitting on a chair. I am watching an English lesson. You can also take about about your day. For example, I woke up at 7. I did breakfast. I went to work. I came home in the evening. Now I seem relaxing. This simple exercise can improve your speaking ability. Step 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Now let's talk about something very important. Mistake. Many people are afraid to speak English because they don't want to make mistakes. But mistakes are normal. When you learn a new language, you will make mistakes. That's okay. You don't need favorite English to communicate it. Your first goal should be speak clearly, then speak confidently, and finally improve your accuracy. Improve your accuracy. So don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now. Step 7. Practice and every day. You don't need to study English for 5 hours a day. Even 15 mistake of focus practice can be useful if you do it consistently. Trial this simple routine. For 5 minutes, listen to English. For 5 minutes, speak English. And for 5 minutes, learn and use new sentence. Do this every day. After 1 week, you may notice a small difference. After 1 month, you may feel more comfortable. And if you continue, if you consistency continue for several months, your English can improve significantly. The secret is consistency, not perfection. A simple language for you. Now let's press it together. It will get you a sentence. Repeat it aloud. I want to improve my English again. I want to improve my English now. I am learning English every day again. I am learning English every day and one more. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Excellent. Now make this your daily habit. Listen to English, speak English, think in English, and use English in your everyday life. Remember, you don't need to everything before you started speaking. You need to start in English. You need to start speaking so that you can learn more. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with one word, then one sentence, then one conversation, and one day you will realize that you are speaking English more naturally than before. Keep practice, keep speaking, keep learning, and most importantly, don't give up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next English lesson. Keep speaking English.